Happy New Year to everyone in public higher education. I commend the efforts of those who work with us in the past year in making our Hintang Paaralan a better place for young people to study and learn. I look forward to this year as we make some more significant contribution to elevating the quality of education in PUP and in the state universities and colleges in general. We have succeeded in laying new foundations for PUP. But this, of course, is not enough, and despite the fact that I know that we are doing well, we have to do more. The blessings and the incentives that we got the past year, I know we can maintain that, and we can also score higher in the indicators of the agencies that monitor us, like the Commission on Higher Education, the Civil Service Commission, and the Department of Budget and Management. We are doing this to keep up with the changing context of higher education in the country and in the world in general. So let us bind ourselves together, forget the things that hurt us, but learn from them, and use this knowledge to help the community, particularly the students. So let's welcome the new year with high optimism, and we expect a lot of good things to come from the administration and from the sectors that serve the entire community. Maligayang bagong taon. Salubungin natin ang taong ito ng may ngiti at may pag-asa, at gawin nating makatotohanan ng pag-asa sa pamamagitan ng pagtatrabaho ng tama at paglilingkod sa mga mag-aaral at mga sektor ng PUP. Salamat po.